Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 9, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -17, and y equals 15.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 9 to x equals -17, the run is -26. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 15, the rise is 13.
Slope is rise divided by run, 13 over -26, which simplifies to -1/2. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is -1/2, x1 is 9, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.